Big Chef.
Love you like hunger. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like hunger. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of your.
Come back to my channel and you don't know it, I'm like Candice here again. So today is Sunday and I'm going to be preparing dinner. So I'm just going to show you guys how I try to cook. Well, and I try because I don't take a long time. So yeah, so this is pork and I'm gonna wash the pork, I'm gonna add some vinegar to it and then season it, put it down, go do other things, then come back. You know, you have to make it marinate and them thing there. So yes, I'm adding vinegar, yes sir, and I'm gonna wash it and ting. So yeah. So guys, me clean up the seasoning them right here, so like a pro is. So I'm seasoning them and ting. So guys, I'm just cutting up the seasoning to my liking. And yeah, when I don't know, Candice, the top chef, he is here. I try to mat up some food on the Sunday evening, so yeah. So now I'm just transferring the ingredients. So you have tomatoes right there, you have scallion, you have pepper. The pepper never hot and thyme with a piece of ginger. Then you have the onions and the Irish potatoes. Yes guys, so now I'm going to put some powder seasoning in it and also browning. Yes, because you can't have white meat, but that's a go. And almost I wonder why I put so much seasoning. Like, seasoning is a must. Seasoning, like, your food for season good. Period. Your food for season good. Here, yeah. I think that was seasoned to the bone. Yeah. And some other seasoning are going there. So here comes the part that nobody really likes, to mix up everything. But guys, use your hand. May I tell you, use your hands. Like spoon or fork, now get it good like how your hand would I get it. Take it from me. And honestly, all the season them drop out. So now washing the peas, washing the peas. This is the pork here. to the pot. So what I do is I take off all the onion and the scallion. Only the powder seasoning that when I mix the meat, that's the only thing I put in the pot because the onion and scallion will burn. And I'm frying it. You can say frying. I don't remember the word, but I'm frying it. Yes, I'm gonna put it in a pressure cooker. But me and I say this is tough, so I should just follow my mind and put it in the pressure cooker because it takes long to cook. So I just chip water in it, to make it soft, and when it's soft to my desire and my liking, then I added some butter bean and added the seasoning and make the gravy as it. So yeah, see there in the pot. Sorry for the steam, but yeah. Peas finish pressure. So guys, I did not remember to video everything. I'm not even able to see cook the rice and peas, but yes, this is vegetable mayonnaise, sweet corn. Here we go. And I know some have a vegetable, like I'm not have a balanced diet. So yeah, see there, nice. My almond juice, So it June plum, pineapple. Yeah. So guys, I finish cook, and that is not my food. First and foremost, I don't eat so much. Yeah, I don't eat so much, but this is mine. Yes. Thanks for watching. Remember to like.